guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Top 50 most successful hip-hop artists of all time, and this is official
this?
EAS
What is
ranking.
that?
EAS stands for equivalent
Counting my
album
money.
sales.
Oh.
Okay, very objective list. Okay, cool.
Oh, I know why we're doing this.
Why?
Because there was commotion
What's the
the other
commotion?
day about Eminem.
Oh, getting the album rapper of the year?
And everyone was like, they completely forgot about that album because it was like highly emphasized that this was the Kendrick year.
But this is of all time though, not just this year.
Yeah, I know.
You can't compare Eminem's and Kendrick careers.
So you think it's gonna be at the top?
Either Drake or Eminem. Number one. I can't tell you who's gonna be number one. Drake has had the success a lot, but physical sales did count heavier than streams, so could be Eminem.
Woo. And this is only out there.
I'm so sick of farewells and RP. In the
What do you mean?
Not their project, no businesses, no nothing.
Right, yeah, just album sales, period. Just rap.
Yes.
Almost 17 million.
Motorsport. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box.
Hot box.
I make a call.
Wow.
I make a call and swoop.
Pop Smoke.
Imagine he would be now if he was still alive, huh?
Running it up. This is a new video, or is
Yeah,
it like
today.
okay.
3 hours ago.
I pop a bird full of nation. Straight honey, no chaser. Niggas be talking hot.
Kodak Brown.
Wow, how you spell Kodak, huh?
Kodak.
Kodak.
Young nigga, I got old cats, spazzing on they ass. I got product.
He used to be skinny, huh?
Brand new Lamborghini, a cop
car.
Pistol on my hip like I'm a I needed some shit with some bop in it. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched the swerve and that whip had a cop.
I've seen that in K-pop video.
What?
This city, it's like in Hollywood they shoot. This is the same
Yeah.
city.
You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you?
Come back at it. She ain't never do this before, but she good at it. So she never.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals.
First lady?
With one album.
Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet ass pussy.
21 million, kind of crazy though, one album.
One album.
Wow.
They both passed away too.
I remember I wanted for the quit so many times, but I knew this moment would come. Now it's my tryna hide from the camera. I ain't going outside today. Couldn't find out Think about it with the clothes off.
ASAP Rocky.
I came, I saw, I praise the Lord and break the law. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20.
I praise the Lord and break the law.
Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does.
Motherfucker has 2 fucking songs.
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed.
They'll use more songs.
They didn't even play the 3rd song. They played 2
Oh,
songs.
they're supposed to play 3.
I don't
In New
know.
York, I merely rock. Had it in my socks. Running from a woke up to niggas talking like me. Talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Talk.
I guess they played 2 songs.
Hey yo, the flyest motherfucker in the room. Yeah, you know it's me. Bitches hating on him cause he started out.
Ready or not, here I come.
That song is good. Donald Trump.
You can't hide. Gonna heard he sang a good song.
The Fugees.
3 weeks since you were looking for your friend.
Lauren
The one you met
Hill.
and
Let's
never called
now
you again.
she's solo.
When he told you our philosophy, possibly speak tongues, beat drums, Abyssinian Street Baptist, rap this and finally.
Let me explain that I'm just a black man. And I come from the dark side, so I'm having a hard time staying on track, man.
idea who that is, but it's
You know them. They in purple Lamborghini. Oh no? It's not them?
It's misspelled though. It's a Susie boys. It's a suicide, not Susie.
I can make a brick walk up north, down south, bank head to Rachel walk.
Maybe I don't know.
Took the Billy cool back in the hot than Kai. I put this bitch in front of the Billy. So my knee, dollars big hits, hop off a jet, barely get rich, catch through the mud and I get a check.
Yosemite? Not Yosemite?
Every other night started with a good
I thought it was
day. I
Yosemite.
feel like a child, I got boogers in the.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I be standing. So what we get drunk, so what we smoke weed. We're just stop.
DMS.
Shop. Oh.
X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon'
Deliver to your knock.
Freedom of jail, clips inserted. A baby's being born, same time a man is murdered. The beginning and end. Rappers are monkey flipping with the funky rhythm I be kicking. Musician.
Now, how this song did not make that the most influential rap song list or whatever you did, I do not understand.
Inflicted composition.
can't touch this.
Now, does he have a second song? Nah, I never heard it.
Okay, my infatuation and translating to another form of what you call it.
Check it. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far you made me believe again. If you happy, then be with him. Go ahead, mommy, breathe again. Go ahead.
I was in jail.
That was awkward.
You know, let's say that's my nigga. I made him a million. Now fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so cops tryna throw you in them county blues. Boy, what you gon' do?
Underrated.
And another one.
Underrated.
Why you all in my ear talking a whole bunch of
That's not fair. Metro Boom is not a rapper.
Why?
He's a beat maker.
Successful hip hop artist.
I overuse myself, I feel I mean I overdid myself, I overdid
Didn't J.
myself.
Cole over here?
He will.
So he beat P. Diddy.
It was all a
Who,
dream.
J. Cole?
I used to read Word
Oh,
Up
big.
magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Everybody know I'm better. Ay, yeah, I'm better. Ay, it don't matter. I know you're sad and tired. You got nothing left to give. You'll find.
Big 4 well, I'm a member. Yeah. Leave a art code like December. What? 4, 5 on me, it's a Kimber. What? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Yeah. In my
First things first, rest in peace, Sucker
J.
Phil.
Cole.
For real.
For real.
You the only father. Man, it wasn't nothing like that first time. She was in my math class. Long hair, brown.
It's still Dre Day, AK. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home a lot.
Dr. J.
You know I'm mobbing with the.
Now the question is Snoop gonna be here? Because he just dropped yesterday. Fresh in our minds. I don't know.
D-O-double-G, straight off them killer streets of CP.
I don't think so though. I don't think he's that popular.
I'm in pain, wanna put 10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change. I've done too great for us, my dear. Can't pretend a lot.
I've never heard the song.
When they play both sides, too low in my life. I can't breathe, I'm waiting for the exhale. Touch my pain with my wishes. I met this chicken, she just moved right up from me. And she got the hots for me to find.
One of the very few rappers with a diamond album right here.
I was at the top and I was like I'm in the fish head. Number one spot, now she found the other. Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit. A little bit of this, a little bit of
I know P. Diddy is mad.
Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Take out my problems and drink out the bottle and fuck on
That's just disrespectful. Future got more sales than M50 Cent. Come on, guys. What we doing listening to Future over Codeine Crazy versus Many Men? Come on. All motherfuckers pouring his life story there. He's talking about drugs. Like, not even selling drugs, using drugs.
Dirty soda and styrofoam. Spill the day to get my mind blown. Dress it up.
Wow, Nick, he made top 10. So Queen of Rap it is. Nobody comes close. The Lauryn Hill was the second closest, I think. And she was far up too. Pimp in the crib?
Pimps in the crib.
Wow.
Drop it like it's
I did
hot.
not think Snoop Dogg would be higher than
What do you
Dre.
mean? That's like, what do you
Wow.
mean?
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
I haven't seen Tupac yet either.
17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste.
Wayne. He's not little anymore.
Big Wayne.
I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. For this life I cannot change.
Kendrick at 6. Not even top 5. Okay, so who we got for top 5? No particular order, because order is gonna be too hard.
Kanye West.
Fuck yeah, he will be there. God damn it.
Drake.
Kanye won at the end of the day, huh? Can't believe 50 Cent lost that battle. Sad day. Yeah, Kanye, Drake, Eminem.
Post Malone.
Who's no longer a rapper, but he will
Post
be there.
Malone.
Is Bad Bunny a rapper? I don't think that's fair to include him. Should be English only. The audience that listen to rap is just not the same. Ain't nobody non-English speaker listening to Bad Bunny raps. Wouldn't be fair if he was there. Who else though?
I don't know. Maybe like Spaley.
That's just disrespectful. Jay-Z?
Someone young. Oh yeah, it could be Jay-Z.
We haven't seen Jay-Z. It's gonna be Jay-Z.
Yeah.
Ricky Rose. Damn. But I don't know if Rick Ross is there. But Rick Ross didn't even make the list though. Meek Mill.
I think
What?
Aye. Monster on the beat, ho, beat, bo, any rap nigga, he a freak, though.
Tupac.
Duh. I just said Tupac wasn't on the list yet. Of course.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm glad you won at the end of this. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, it's like worth living, should I blast myself?
Yeah, I'm out that Brooklyn.
Jay-Z.
Post Malone is not on this list then.
No Posty.
Well, he's not a rapper, so it shouldn't be fair to include him.
I'm down in Tribeca, right
Honestly, I feel like he just used rap for cloud, and then he's like, "Oh yeah, I'm good now. Let me be a country artist."
next to the narrow, but I'll be hood. So hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. First nigga gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Make it, do it, makes us older, better, faster, stronger.
Imagine his numbers can be higher if he wanted to.
Can't believe this motherfucker's
he
third
won. He
most
canceled
successful
himself.
rappers,
But he
and he
canceled
decided to do
himself.
some dumbass shit.
And he canceled himself because he could have passed 2 and 1.
He ain't passing nobody. But so who you got number 1, Drake or Eminem?
Drake.
Drake. I'm gonna go with the GOAT.
Till I give my money.
You know who the GOAT is. That's who the GOAT is. Number 1. Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know.
But look at the numbers, because his career just started. Drake is a newbie. Okay, he's just a new girl.
He's been in the game for like 17 years.
Okay. Eminem has been there like forever in a day. Let's see what's next.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you
171.
know.
Let's see where the GOAT is at.
What do you think his numbers is?
I wrote you, but you still ain't calling.
Ooh.
I left my page
He has a
in
long
my
career.
phone.
He's cute.
Why we only play one song for Eminem? What's the disrespect here? What the
That's funny.
fuck?
Can I see the comments? What song would you sing for him now? If his second song is what?
Mom spaghetti. He's nervous.
Can you just recite the lyrics or no?
No.
No, that's okay.
You think I'm stupid?
Let's go to the comments.
He dropped bombs,
Where's
but
Post
he keeps
Malone?
on forgetting what he wrote
Where's
down. The
Post
whole crowd
Malone?
goes so loud. He's open his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's joking now. Everybody's joking now. Clocks run out. Time's up. Over. Plow. Snap back to reality.
Okay.
There goes gravity.
Stop.
No. You asked me to recite the lyrics.
Yeah, but you weren't on the spot ready, so
I was
not
ready.
now.
So Travis Scott was my introduction to hip hop. Oh, I feel bad for you. But there's too many great artists. Just to pick one favorite. Lil Baby and Uzi. Okay, whatever. I hope Dot enter into top 5. He will. I think Kendrick will enter in top 5. Because Tupac is dead, so kinda, you know.
Oh, wow.
No, I'm just saying Tupac can drop more music. It just is what it is. No, I'm not dissing him.
Damn.
It's a fact. He can wake
He's
up and
dead.
produce music now. I mean, come on. Oh wow, no more comments? Really? Oh.
Okay. Very interesting. Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.